So a lot of our viewers have been wondering how do chickens take baths? And here's a great example of how they kind of burrow themselves in the ground, and they get all this dirt all over them, and it gets up into their crevices, and they really work the ground. So take a close look at them. Look at that one chicken. Now there's dirt all over it. Right there. So it's finally one of those warm days out today after we've been having a lot of negative temperatures lately. And so these ladies definitely would like to get out of the coop and get a bath in. They kind of pick at the ground too in order to get a bunch of loose ground up. So anyways, that's a quick tutorial on how chickens take baths. And feel free to comment or write us at charlie@backyardchickenguide.com, and we'll be sure to make a video based on your questions. Thanks for watching.